Ganap na ganap.
Good morning guys. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa terminal. Sorry nawala talaga yung microphone ko. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa terminal. Hindi ko alam kung anong terminal to for the bullet train. Papunta tayo ng Shanghai. Hintay lang tayo dito sa gate to open. Look guys, makikita mo dito kung occupied. Dito pa lang sa labas para hindi ka napipila sa loob. Makikita mo kung may bakante sa CR nila. Amazing na naman. Sana ganyan din sa atin. Okay. Mag-ano lang ako mag-lip gloss. I'm using this rose. Ganda to. Another recommendation. From me lang naman. So, it's up to you guys. Pero for me, nag-work siya sa akin. It has color and at the same time, moisturizes my lips. Sobra. So, hindi ako, usually, pag winter, nagkakaroon ako ng chaps dito. Nagda-dry yung lips ko. So, I've been using this for ilang days na. Kanina nga pala, so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog dun sa terminal. Kasi mabilisan lang. So, kumuha kami ng porter. Kasi sa train, ang binabayaran mo dun sa porter, at least, parang alam ko, 50 yuan per luggage. So, ang binabayaran mo dun, actually, yung space mo doon sa train. So, parang may VIP seat na yung luggage mo. Kasi ang hirap ko kahit na meron kang assigned seat, kahit na may seat number ka, yung luggage mo wala eh. So, pagdating mo doon sa terminal, I suggest na porter kayo for around, ewan ko kung sabi lang nila 50 yuan per luggage. So far, VIP entrance yung luggage namin. Wala namang naging problema. So, from Beijing to Shanghai, it takes about 6 hours. Umalis kami doon ng 7. So, we arrive at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Kaya, 6 more or less. So, ganun kalayo. Ganun din kabilis. Kasi ang hirap kapag ka plane or by land ka, ang daming papasukan, ang daming process. Dito, passport lang. Okay. So, see you in a while.
I remember like the movie of very first scene. I see you walking in my way. I remember our eyes made slow motion on repeat. I played over in my head. She looks into his eyes.
So, we will now see the old and the new Shanghai. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Starbucks Reserve. Yan. Second to the largest. Kasi dati siya pinaka-largest. Kaya lang natalo na siya ng Chicago. Pero yung roastery nila sa loob, sila pa rin yung pinakamalaki. So mamaya titingnan natin. And then, tabi niyan, magkatabi lang sila eh. Yan, yung LV Ship flagship store and the Starbucks Roastery. O, diba? Ora-ora na tayo dyan. Pero maganda sa gabi.
Love for me to figure this one out. I swear we know.
So, dito tayo sa loob. Pila sa labas. Sobra. Pero mabilis lang naman yung pila eh. So far. Yan, nakapasok kami agad within 5 minutes. Waiting. So, tingnan natin yung roastery nila. Look, oh. From beans to, yan, oh. Dito. Show. Pinakamalaki to, actually. Mas malaki to compare mo doon sa Milan at sa Japan. There. Yan. Welcome to Starbucks Reserve Roastery, Shanghai. Okay, wait. So guys, pag bumili ka, may libreng parang feature. So lalagyan nila ng parang engrave. I think ito masarap. Sour and heat beef sandwich, shrimp and baked egg sandwich. Parang ganda nito. Rose custard filled brioche. So, classic panettone. Ayan, panettone nila. Every Christmas lang yan. Okay, let's go shopping. I got for the sisters. Ayan. Ito to. Ganda to eh. This is nice. Na pina-engrave ko. Ayan, ganyan sa likod. Ayan. Ganda to. Good. Diba? Standy pa. Okay. Oh, ang cute naman. Kasi wala pa yung bread. Daddy, ito ka. Balik na tayo ng The Bond. Medyo malamig na. After na nag-book kami ng cruise sa The Bond. Kasi maganda yun, maikot mo. Yung magkasama yung old and new Shanghai, makikita mo sa river. Yun yung pinakagusto ko, yung highlight ng Shanghai. Yeah, ang napansin ko lang, puro dito, walang Tesla. O hindi inaalaw. Wala rin yung Apple. So, kainaman sa kanila. Tinatangkilik nila yung sarili nilang produkto. From cars, Chinese phones, Chinese shoes, all made in China. So guys, Nanjing Road na tayo. So, tama lang yung weather tonight. So, yung weather okay lang dito sa Shanghai. Unlike sa Beijing na sobrang lamig. Dito okay lang. Wala man akong jacket. Pero, sarap weather. Nanjing Road tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong masya-shopping natin doon. Yan, Nanjing Road. Saan tayo mag-start? Ang daming tao. Daming tao. Sunday kasi ngayon, no? Tama ba? Yeah. Ayan, may nakita ako. Cute. Molly's Ice Cream. So, dalawa pala siya. Okay. Asan na siya? Let's go. Tindahan ng iba't ibang White Rabbit eh. Ayan. Ayan, iba't ibang klaseng White Rabbit. Yay! Where's the White Rabbit? Ayun pa, puro White Rabbit. Ayan. Soroni card. Parang okay to. Pero White Rabbit. Okay. Akala ko yung nasa likod ko, resto. Tindahan pala ng gold. Look. Bigla ako nabahing. Siguro sa lamig. Nagtinginan sa kanya mga tao. Let's go. Asan na? Nanjing Edition. Okay na?
Ikaw,
Marami na ako. Mamaya na lang sa cruise. Tara. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oo. So guys,
Ganda ng fruit nila.
Magandang fruits. Yeah.
So I don't wanna say just never get it, but can't you just let me know?
Later on, makikita natin lahat ng skyscrapers nila and city lights at night.
I bet you know the things you do. Everybody's got their eyes on you. You shine.
So, ito yung modern Shanghai. And then, on the other side, ito, yan yung modern Shanghai. Ito yung old. Yan, sila yan. Galing ano, galing nila.
Anong tower yan?
The band po. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung old. Ayan, tingnan nyo po yung ano, galing nila na preserve. Harbor, paano ba parang sa ni Harbor. Ganun. Ito po yung old, oh. Ayan, ang ganda. Yes? So, this is the old Shanghai. It's amazing how this country preserves what's the old and the new. Nagmo-modernize sila. At the same time, hindi nila sinisira yung meron na ako kanina. Hindi nila nasisira yung old buildings. Pine-preserve nila.
I take one step closer, then he takes one further, fall into the darkness again. Oh, one more step closer.
Good morning, guys. Ngayon, ano tayo? It's Disney Day. Wala yung mic ko. Gone. Disappear. Paggabi, hindi na kami nakabalik ng LV ship. Kasi sobrang pagod na at mabinaw. Para dun sa ilaw niya paggabi. Nakapag-picture lang kami ng may araw pa. Mabilisan lang kasi daming tao. Spring roll. Hindi masarap. Vegetable lang. Walang meat. Shop. Hahanapan natin mo tocino, fried rice, tapa, tuyo. Naghahanap ako ng xiaolong bao. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Wala akong nakita, wala akong sa lubong. Yung Sichuan, halos yun yung kinakain namin everyday. Sichuan, Peking duck, yung parang mga mince Means, for first time namin nag-join ng tour. Kasi, kukuha kami ng own visa namin. Hindi aabot si Carl. So, yun lang yung bakasyon niya. So, ito, ano lang to mabilisan lang to. Buti nahabol kami ni Glenn. Thank you, Glenn. Nahabol mo kami sa tour ng Beijing, Shanghai. May part 2 pa to. Actually, bundle yon. So, if you'd like to have a cheaper tour, please contact Glenn. Bundle promo nila, no, nahabol lang kami. Kasi, hindi aabot yung visa ni Carl sa bakasyon niya. I think it would take around more than 2 weeks. So, nagsiguro na kami. Nahabol kami ni Glenn during Christmas Day. Imagine niyo yun. After Noche Buena, nag-fly na kami to Beijing. After ng mag-Noche Buena kalatatay. So, yun. Hinabol lang namin tong bakasyon na to para kay Carl. And, yun. So, may part 2. I don't know kung same group. Kung makakasama namin sa around Feb yata yun. First time namin nag-join. Medyo mahirap kasi yung oras. Hindi sanay yung mga bata nagigising ng 6 o'clock. Ganyan, aalis ng 8. Pupunta sa ganito. Tapos limited lang yung time. Like yung sa Great Wall, ilang oras lang kami. 1 hour lang. Or more than 1 hour, no? 1 hour o 2 hours, ganyan. So, may mga gusto kang puntahan, hindi mo mapupuntahan. But then, yung transportation, okay, kasi half on, half off. Ganun lang, maupo ka lang sa bus, ganyan. Medyo, free and easy, ganun. And then, yung ayaw ko lang, yung saan yun? Yung napunta tayo na dapat ay sa Forbidden City, which is yun yung pinaka-highlight ng Beijing tour, yung Forbidden City. Doon pa kami parang konti lang yung time. Tuloy, gusto namin puntahan yung pinakadulo ng courtyard, yung Emperor's Palace. Hindi namin nakita yun. So parang 1, 2, 3, 4 gates. 5 gates lang, di ako sure ako. Pero parang ganun, kasi bilang ko yung pinas tour namin na gates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ang laki niya. So, ang ganda niya doon. Parang you're walking into Ming Dynasty. Yun. Yesterday, dito sa Shanghai, pinuntahan namin yung Starbucks. Starbucks Reserve. Yun yung pinakamalaki. Actually, second na lang siya kasi first is already Chicago yung malaki. Pero yung nila, yung process parang malaki to compared dun sa mga napuntahan ko na like sa Milan, sa Japan. Pero ang ganda, malaki siya. Punta kami ng Disneyland today. So, dito sana dalhin yung iba pa pero baka may makita ko doon sa loob. So, parang ito lang. Nung gabi, nag-cruise. So, doon, I recommend this cruise. Yung daw sa may Daban. I highly recommend this cruise. Kasi makikita nyo, iikot talaga yung sa river nila. Makikita nyo yung modern and yung old Shanghai. Yeah, modern Shanghai and old Shanghai. Makikita nyo doon. Ganda. So, you don't have to go around by land. Makikita nyo, iikot nila. Tsaka yung city lights, skyscrapers. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Sobrang nakakaingit. Sana meron din tayo. Pero sooner or later makakaroon din tayo. I hope. Sana po. 7:45. Alis kami. We're leaving at 8 kasi 30 minutes pa from here to Disneyland. Say hi! 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 Morning! Hi!
请紧握扶手，脚下安全，做出好处，请现在。
Si ganun naman.
Shores and sweep till the floor's all clean.
Hi guys!
She likes to laundry and
Shades mo. Where's your shades ko?
sweep again, and by then
Ang cute pala niyan. May hole pala.
or maybe
Welcome to Disneyland! Shanghai! Nakita ko yung Disneyland nila. Sa labas pa lang entrance.
Then after lunch, it's puzzles and darts and baking.
Yes, without parking.
Shake a bit of ballet and chess. Pottery and ventriloquy, candle making.
Ready?
I'll stretch, maybe sketch, take a climb, or dress. And I'll reread the books if I have time to spare.
Yes, Sana.
Paint the walls some more. I'm sure there's room somewhere. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair. Talking the same place I've
Yan ang maliit na maple. Sila na. Time to take a picture is 10 o'clock to 2. Walang shadow yun. Kahit na Monday, maraming tao. Pero hindi ganun. Okay naman. Ayan, let's go. Okay, somebody will take our picture. Saan tayo? Sa kabila?
Just seem like your life's been a dream since the moment you opened your eyes. How far do these roots go down? All I know are the blossoms you grow, but it's awesome to see how you rise. How far can I rise through the roof to the skies? Let's go.
Ha?
Our nighttime spectacular.
Ako orange. Ayan, meron merinda. Orange. Drink. And Mickey's Ice Cream Classic. Ay, hindi pala, wag. Linabel, ano yun?
Magsusoft drinks ka?
Oh, go. Duffy. Ah, ang cute. Tingi. Corn flavor.
The usual morning line up. Start on the chores and sweep till the floor's all clean.
Ayan na yun siya.
Polish and wax, do laundry and mop and shine up. Sweep again and by then
Wala
it's
kasi yung
like
stand ko,
7:15,
kinuha niya.
and so I'll read a book or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. I'll play guitar and cook and basically just wonder when will my life begin.
Ayan. Oo nga, pag nagkakape ako sa SB. So, black truffle rice in Turkey wing. Cute ah. Anak, get. Ito yung bago. Zootopia. Ito tayo sa zone ng Zootopia. Kasi ito yung bago. Ito lang yung, dito lang meron. Yan yung pinaka-highlight nila. Main attraction is Zootopia.
Nandito sasayaw kayo ni Daddy.
lang yan.
Meron na kami picture nun.
Oo.
Ulitin mo lang. Isakay naman.
Wala pa tayong TikTok tayo ha, mamaya. Mukhang may construction pa, oh. Mukhang nag-expand pa sila, yan.
Gusto pala yun.
的大明星，还有维护构城的和平吗？嗨，你们终于来了！
Para tayong floor cleaner. Alam mo yun yung iikot sa... Paganon. Oh, yung paganon na na.
Gusto mabilis yun.
Yay!
Low-key.
Dopey!
Baka doon. One night here yan.
The usual morning line up. Start on the chores and sweep till the floor's all clear. Polish and wax, do laundry and mop and shine up. Sweep again and by then it's like 7:15 and so I'll read up or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. I'll play guitar and cook and bake sickly. Just wonder when will my life begin? And after lunch it's puzzles and